make sure it gets to the Rhine. Now all we gotta do is survive the cold and Pearson.
Nice boots, College. They look new.
Yeah, poached them all some replacements. The poor kid froze to death.
Pearson wasn't so stingy with requisitions. I wouldn't have to steal.
It's okay. They weren't doing the replacement any good. Where's that farm kid I used to know? You see him, give me a holler.
Hell of a Christmas, eh, fellas?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Why would I want to be cuddled up by a nice warm fire with my gal? I could be freezing my ass off with you bastards.
Shit, incoming.
Aiello, get back in the entry. Yes, Sergeant.
Sergeant, any extra coats or blankets?
You look just fine to me. East dugout got hit all night. Grab an ammo box, you're gonna resupply him.
I take that ammo. Aiello's gonna run dry.
Well, I guess you better make every goddamn shot count.
Keep moving. I need to get the spare bandages from your aid kit.
I thought you hooked up with the 3rd Battalion to get supplies.
No, you got cut off.
Anything good for me? This is little Katie. Put me within a mile of Mr. Hitler.
Clouds break.
Send out a scouting department.
This ain't nothing. What are you gonna do when you get back to shit?
Daniels, what are you doing in this neck of the woods?
Got some ammo, fellas.
Rookie here. It's a regular old St. Nick.
Throw it under our tree.
What'd you bring us? Chocolate? My socks?
Shit. Krauts over the hill. 12 o'clock. Gun jam. Daniels, take him out.
Was that it? Scan for more. There's another! Great shooting, Daniels. That Kraut won't be reported back.
How the hell are they getting past the 88?
You better go check into the command tent.
Watch out! What the hell was that all about?
See
Is that
anything?
us?
Lock and load!
Get up! Get up and get out there!
Get ready for it!
I need a couple men over here on the double! As soon as I get stateside.
Oh, Corporal. I got a treat for you. This is Howard.
Pleased to make your acquaintance.
Sorry, I didn't expect
To work alongside such a fine engineer.
Howard was part of the company that took the ridge. I can't believe they let him fight.
Oh yeah, they even let us die. Now, when this convoy rolls through, Krauts are gonna unleash hell.
Thought we had reserves coming.
We are the reserves.
Sergeant, we should call in air support.
Look at that. Daniels here just remembered he was a corporal.
Radio's working now.
Yeah, I wouldn't count on any help. Our flatboys got their hands full.
Convoy's here and they have supplies. Grab what you can.
Now we just gotta make sure these guys get to the Rhine. Yeah, if there are any bridges left.
There's that holiday spirit, Sussman. Yes, sir. I got ammo and boots. Merry Christmas, fellas.
Wisconsin, Lieutenant.
Incoming! Move your ass!
It's over. You all right? I'll lift. They're softening us up for an attack. We need to find Pearson.
Hold it on me!
Help me! This way.
Front armor's inbound and they cut our lines!
There's a radio and old CP. You provide fire support. I'll get it working.
That CP's on top of the enemy.
Hey, you're a corporal now, goddammit! Start acting like one! You can't expect us to go out there with him!
You're from Queens. Nothing new.
When you say so.
Hey, I was an NCO. Give up my stripes to be here. Now we need to move. Now.
Lead the way! Let's go topsy-turvy.
Wait until I punch you in her nose.
Hey, you get it done.
Howard dies, we're all screwed. Daniels, let's go. Krauts are coming. Enemy infantry coming from the woods. Get to the radio.
Daniels, help me get this radio.
I got it. It's shot to hell.
It's gonna take some time. Keep them occupied.